Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Byoma Blemish Acne Treatment Pimple Paste. This product retails for $10. I am super excited for a spot treatment from Byoma. This is their first. I have been a huge fan of the Blemish collection so far. From the cleanser to the toner to the moisturizer, all of it has worked amazing for me. This spot treatment utilizes salicylic acid along with kaolin clay, looking to be some more drying and the more drying product of the Byoma Blemish collection, which I'm super excited for. That is what spot treatments do best, is dry up and clear pimples. So I'm really excited to see what Byoma did with their take on a spot treatment. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. In standard with Byoma's Blemish collection, they use their patent-pending ceramide complex along with salicylic acid at a 2%, kaolin clay, and kojic acid in this. Very exciting because it's looking to not only combat acne, but post-acne discoloration and marks. I'm really excited to see what those benefits show with this product, and the ingredients look really promising. Let those in the description. Also, you can click the link in the description, go to their website. Big things I'm going to be looking for include, does it cause any sensitivity? How fast does it clear my zits, and what results do I notice with it? It also claims to be very soothing to the skin. I want to see if that is the case. Is there anything else? I'm continuing to check in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. I've been waiting to use it until right there, that breakout. I am super excited to treat this breakout and see how effective this spot treatment is. I've been very fortunate lately that I haven't had any active breakouts, and about the time I say that, of course, one has to pop up. So here we go. Let's see how this feels. I'm expecting this to be a thicker texture, which it is. It is a pimple paste. So you can see there, it has a very clay-like texture, but quite moisturizing to the skin, honestly. It leaves practically no finish. I am also curious if pilling is going to be an issue with this. That's just something I've seen with some more thick spot treatments. It definitely feels like a nice paste, and I'm excited to see how this performs under makeup. It smells tea tree a little bit. Maybe there's tea tree in this. Hang on one second. I do have soybean oil in here, which hit or miss on with acne. I know this is supposed to be like an acne treatment, so I'm not expecting it to be too bad. I guess it might be the kaolin. It smells interesting. It smells like a treatment, like an ointment style treatment that I used to use as a child. Like that is the best way I can describe the smell of it. I'm gonna take just a little bit out. It's a very controlled dispense application. And just apply it right on the zit. I'm gonna apply a pretty thick layer. That post-acne mark right there is holding strong. It kind of has a little bit of a green color to it. It's not anything to be color correcting, just kind of take some of the redness out of my zit. These are all, okay, none of those are active. This is the only active one that I have. So we are gonna treat that. Oh, wait, hello. New breakout unlocked that I just saw. My diet has been horrible lately. So I do think that that is what's contributing to some of this. I usually get that when I've been eating the best. I get it on my forehead. It feels really nice. It's thick, not pilly. It doesn't feel like it's gonna pill up, and it dries down really nice, kind of absorbs into the skin. I'm not experiencing any sensitivity, which I'm glad, because it does have salicylic acid in it. Sometimes that ingredient just doesn't work for me, but I'm excited to see how it works in this formula. Byoma's Blemish collection has been the collection that's kind of reintroduced salicylic acid into my routine, so I'm very excited to see how this performs with the other products and just see how it performs overall. I will keep you posted, and I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Similar to the other products in the Byoma Blemish collection, I felt like this was very effective yet gentle and considerate of the skin barrier. One thing that I feel like makes this spot treatment stand out is how it is a thicker texture, and it didn't pill or cause any weird texture underneath a moisturizer, underneath makeup. This product truly created a beautiful canvas to layer well under any other skincare product, and I feel like that's what made it stand out the most. It also had a 2% salicylic acid concentration, but it was not sensitizing to the skin. I found I could use it 2 to 3 times a day on breakouts, and it cleared them pretty quickly. It's not as fast as some other acne spot treatments, but it was still effective, clearing zits within 3 to 4 days, and also had some brightening ingredients to help post-acne hyperpigmentation as well. Those benefits were very subtle, but comparing it to just a regular spot treatment was performing. I noticed some subtle benefits with brightening the skin as well. So I do feel like those results are something that make this spot treatment stand out. And the kaolin clay in this was perfectly drying, but I feel like it had some barrier replenishing ingredients in it that helped balance some of the dryness that could have come out of this formula. So I feel like it is really well rounded. The value is amazing. It's pretty effective at drying zits and also clearing them fast. And it's a $10 spot treatment that I didn't go through very quickly. With all of those factors combined, I really enjoyed this product and I would 100% recommend trying it. I love that it was a thicker spot treatment. I feel like it also did a good job to conceal some breakouts as well and create a beautiful base layer underneath makeup. If you are looking for that, not necessarily something that I feel like would clear zits as well when it comes to just applying this spot treatment and not going over it with makeup or something, but it definitely had a thick ability to create a base layer to go under that. Definitely reduced the look of breakouts instantly, and you could kind of see that in the check-in. I was more surprised that it didn't cause any pilling or any buildup or weird texture on the skin, because usually with thicker treatments like this, it does. But I feel like the hydrating ceramide complex that they included in this product and all of their other products made it have a really good texture underneath makeup or whatever you followed with it. So I do feel like it is a great effective spot treatment. 2% salicylic acid isn't necessarily unique for a spot treatment. I know of a lot of other spot treatments with that in it, but not for the price point and not with the ingredients they chose to include in this blend. So I would 100% recommend trying it. I feel like it is a really good acne treating spot treatment. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next review.